Are you a digital creator and you've been looking for how to make a mark to show people that you're one? Then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end, and at the end of the video put in the comments, I will try. Okay, I will try. All right, let's go. In this video I'll be showing you how to change your Facebook profile from a regular user to a digital creator. And as I said, make sure to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you understand the tutorial properly. So for us to get started, this is your Facebook. Now when you go to your Facebook, go to these three dots here. Go to these three dots. When you go to these three dots, just scroll till you see this place, turn on professional mode. Here, click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see all this, turn on professional mode. You can read, get paid for your content, see content insights, let more people follow you. You can read all this and you click turn on. When you click on turn on, you're going to see it has opened up for you. What's the next step? Just still scroll down. You can read everything, okay? Scroll down. Make sure you scroll down. So the moment you see this, you just scroll down to the point where you see add details about yourself, okay? You can also fill all this. You can see I've filled all mine. You click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see here digital creator, okay? Here, digital creator. If you don't have it, you can search for it, and this is it. You can see mine is already highlighted, and then you click on save. So when you click on save, it has saved. So let's go back, and you're going to see now, if you look at your profile, you're going to see it, the profile says digital creator. So you start creating and start showing people who you are online, okay? So this is how to change your profile to a digital creator. So the moment that is done, you have completed the process. So if you have any questions about this tutorial, make sure you put it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.